When the first network started expanding, it made sense to automate some features. So bots started crawling into the initial networks, and they are now everywhere. They're actually a critical part of the internet itself. Enhanced chatbots have been around, offering services to patients for years. Bots present a fast and cost-effective way to deal with bureaucracy, which is a constant goal in the wider health sector, especially in countries with large numbers of patients. There is, however, a need for constant awareness of representation type in large distributed healthcare ecosystems. Is it a person? Is it software? Is it the right person, or at least an authorized entity working on behalf of the right person? The healthcare sector deals with a lot of data and actions, some of which are matters of life and death. Personal information, background, history information, illnesses, accidents, family history, exams, all very important and very personal. There are reasons in our life to keep these things private. Patients can access their own data online or allow others to access it if needed. There are many AI-assisted operations and assisted living monitoring, admission and readmission to intensive care, online scheduling, and medicine provision. Whether or not an insurance company will cover a treatment or operation may soon be decided by AI. Finally, assisted dying, regarding especially disabled patients or people in a very heavy state, may also depend on controversial methods of communication and decision. However, bots are software and do not face the same rules/laws as people. Safety is crucial, but the need for accountability is not to be neglected. The first step, the main challenge, is to stay ahead of bots and be able to tell where any request comes from, be it a user, an authorized bot, a hacker, or a malevolent bot. Software developers and AI service providers need to pay attention to dangers and traps, knowing that they will also be held accountable if their software causes damage. AI can already imitate many of the factors used for identifying users online, which means a single password or set of personal data can be very dangerous in the hands of the wrong person. A wave of attacks to a free email provider around 25 years ago led to CAPTCHA challenges and tests which were able to identify bots. Bots are smarter today, but so are we, and of course both sides use modern AI tools. Two of the most useful types of AI tools are recurrent neural networks and generative adversarial networks. RNNs are good at processing sequential data, able to understand context and temporal dependencies or patterns. Their main advantages include handling wide input-output lengths, sharing weights across time steps, and identifying dangerous patterns in time series. GANs, on the other hand, use a generator to create new instances of what we want to detect, and a discriminator to find the ones that look real in order to use them for training the network. What do? We want to enhance our systems for bot detection. We want to make sure we know what's happening, and we want to be able to trace the bot back to whoever made it and whoever is using it. We also need a firm and updated legal framework. We want to help the legislative bodies and the policymakers follow these rapid changes closely. Ideally, we want to stay ahead of them and make the world safer,